This is our new topic today. So new topic is operations on sets. So starting with the first operation. First operation is union of sets. So what does union of set means? The union of A and B is the set which consists of all elements of A and all elements of B. The common elements being taken only once. Means like if we are given a two set and it is represented by this symbol. Means if we are taken two sets, like set A here is 1, 2, 4, 6 and a B set is 2, 3, 5. Okay, and we have to write A union B. Means we have to write a set that consists of all elements of A and all elements of B, and the common elements being taken only once, and all elements of B as well, and the common part like 2 is here also, then 2 will not be written again, then 3 and 5. So this is a set of A union B. Here no common element is repeated, like 2 was common in both the sets, but we didn't write 2 times, it is written only one time. So this is a union. And the second part here is intersection of sets. So intersection of sets means a set of all elements which are common to both sets A and B. Means the common elements, and it is represented by this, the upside down U, and it is a U. It is union, means combination of both the set. It is intersection, the common elements. So if we take the same above question here, we have to find A intersection B, means the common element. What is the common element between this? Only 2 is common, so this set will contain only 2 from above example. Okay, and then the third set is difference of sets. Okay, difference of set means two sets are being subtracted. Like here, our example, the difference of two sets A and B in this order is the set of elements which belong to A but not to B. Okay, we have to take a set in that belongs only to A but not to B. Means like if we are given A set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B set is 2 4 6 8 and we have to calculate A minus B. What does A minus B means? Elements that are in set A but not in set B. Means 1 is only in A but not in B. So 1 means A minus B means A will be taken and the elements that are in B will be subtracted from it. Like 2 is here, 4 is here and 6 is here. Means 2, 4, 6 will be removed. Only the common part will be removed from the bigger set. So 1 will be removed and then 2 is removed, then 3 is left, then 4 is removed, then 5 is left, then 6 is removed. So 1, 3, 5 is the set of A minus B. And if we take B minus A means B set will be taken but the common elements of A and B will be subtracted. B will be taken means like if we take 2 is here also A but this is subtracted, so 2 is subtracted, then 4 will also be subtracted, 6 is also be subtracted, only 8 is left here. Means 8 is the element which cannot be removed from the subtraction as the 8 is present in set A. Okay. So our next type of set is complement of a set. What is this? It is defined as the set of all those elements of U which are not contained in A. Here U stands for universal set and A is a given set. Okay, so what does this means? Like you are given a set U as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and A set is given 2 4 6 8 10 and we have to find A complement. A complement is represented as A dash. So this is A complement. Okay, so this is all those elements of U which are not in A, means that is not in A. Removing A from this means A is not to be taken and all those elements which are from U but are not taken in A. So 1 is not in A, 3 is not in A, 5 is not in A, 7 is not in A and 9 is also not in A. So this is our answer. So this is our complement. So starting with the exercise. So this is our first question from the exercise. We have to find the union of A and B. Finding union of A and B. So A union B is equals to all the elements of A and B and no common element will be repeated. So A, B, C, E, I, O and U. Look, A was common and A is not repeated here, so this is the union. And this contains all the elements of A as well as all elements of B. Second part is this. So again we have to find the union. So first we will calculate what is the A set. A here is belongs to natural number and that elements are greater than 1 and less than equals to 6. Means greater than 1 but not 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and here it says less than equals to 6. Means it is less than 6, that is 5 and 6 as well can be taken. This is set A, and what is set B? It is greater than 6 and less than 10. Means 6 is not to be taken here. Means 7, 8, 9, and it is less than 10, and 10 is not to be taken here, as it says only less than but not equals to. So this is set A and set B, and now we have to calculate A union B. So 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 means all the elements of A and B. All elements are present in this. Okay. So moving forward to the next question. Our next question says is this. Set A is A and B and set B is ABC. We have to check, is A a subset of B? This is a symbol of subset. Is whole set A present inside set B? Yes, A is a subset because A and B is present inside whole set B. Means whole set A is inside B. Yes, A subset B. A is subset of B. And now we have to calculate A intersection B. What does A intersection B means? The common elements. What are the common elements between here? A set is AB. Means we have to find the intersection of, so it will be, what is common? A is common between them, B is also common, and C is not common. So AB is the intersection of set B. And you can so our next question is this. Here we have to calculate first set A union B. A union B means set that contains A and B both. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We are taking first A set and then B set. B set is 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 4 have already been taken. So 5 and 6 are extra. So these are a union of A and B. Second part here is A union C. What is A union C? Here our A is 1, 2, 3, 4, taking A first. What is C? 5, 6, 7, 8. Nothing is common. This is A union C. Third part here is B union C. Okay, taking B union C means taking B and C both. First taking B, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is C? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6 has already been taken, so 7 and 8. What is fourth? We have a fourth set is B union D. B taking B first, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now D. D here is 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. So now our fifth part is A union B union C. Taking a union of taking A, B and C all together. What is A? A here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then B. B is 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4 has already been taken, so 5 and 6. Now C. C is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6 has already been taken. also this. Okay, now what next? Sixth. It is A union B union D. A union B union D. First taking A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4 has already been taken. And D. What is D? D is 7, 8, 9, 10. So next is this. B union C union D. What is B here? B is 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is C. C is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then D. D is 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, 7, 8 has already been taken. 9 and 10. Okay. So this is our answers for these questions. So this is our next question here. Here set A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15 and so on. So we have to calculate A minus B. For calculating the first part, A minus B means having the elements of A that are not in B. Means A that are not in B. Means A minus B. Taking 1, then 3. 3 can be subtracted, 5 can be subtracted, 7 can be subtracted, then 9. Then 11 is subtracted, 13 is subtracted, then 15. This is A minus B. Then going for second part, that says B minus A. Taking set B, elements of B but not the of A. So 2. Then 3 is subtracted, 5 is subtracted, 7 subtracted, 11 subtracted, 13 subtracted, so only 2. Okay. Then the third part is A complement. A complement means taking the elements that are in universal set but not in set A. So what is universal set? Universal set is a numbers belonging from 1 to 18. 18 will also be taken as it says less than 18. Less than equals to 18. Okay. So 1 is in A, so 1 won't be taken. Only of those but not in A. So A is taken, then 2 is left. 3 is taken, 4 is left, up to 18. We have to compare up to 18. Okay. 5 is taken, 6 is left, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 14, then 16, 17 and 18. Look, 17 is not here in set A but in set of this. So this. Taking fourth set, fourth is B's complement. Taking elements of universal set but not from B. So 1. The universal set is this, from 1 to 18. So 1 is not present in B. 2 is present in B. So 3, then 4 is left. Then 5 is here, 6 is not here. 7 is here, 8, 9, 10. Then 11 is here, 12. 13 is here, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So this is set B. Now A union B complement. That is, what is A union B? first A union B is A union B. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means all the elements of A and B. 1, 2, 3. Then 4 is not here. Then 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Okay, and we have to find A union B complement, means removing these from the union. So from universal set is from 1 to 18. Look, 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4, 5 is here, 6, 7 is here, 8, 9 is here, 10, 11 is here, 12, 13 is here, 14, 15 is here, 16, then 17 and 18. So this is our answer. So this is our next question here. Here A is the set 3, 6, 9, 12. These are the multiples of 3. It is multiples of 4, multiples of 2 and multiples of 5. So we have to calculate A minus B. What is A minus B? Those are, we will take A set and remove the common elements of A and B. Look, 3 is in set A but not in B. 6 is in set A but not in B. 9 is in set A but not in B. 12 is in A and B both. So 12 is subtracted from 12, so 12 is removed. Then 15 is here, 18 is here and 21 is here. Okay. Second is B minus A. So B minus A, taking elements of B that are not in A. 4 is in A but not in B. 8 is here, 8 is not here in A. 12 is here but 12 is also here, so 12 and 12 is cancelled. 16 is here but not in here. 20 here but not in set A. So this. So next is the sixth part, D minus A, taking elements of D that are not in A. D. 5 is in D but not in A. Then 10 is in D but not in A. 50 is in D but also in A. So 15 and 15 is subtracted. Then 20 is in D but not in A. So this. So here it is C minus D, taking C but not the elements of D. 2 is in C but not in D, 4 is in C but not in D, 6 is in C, 8 is in C. Here 10 is in C and D, so 10 and 10 is subtracted. So 10 is removed, then 12, 14 and 16. Okay, means the common elements of C, D are subtracted from C. Common elements of D, A are subtracted from D. Common elements of B and A are removed from A, B. Common elements of A and B are removed from A. And then this. It is D minus C. Here D is this and C is to be removed. Okay. So here taking D and removing common elements of C and D. What are common elements of C and D? Only 10 is common, so 10 will be removed. 5, 15 and 20 is left. This is our answer. So this ends up your exercise 10.3.